Hi folks, this is Katie Murphy from Health Partners America, and we have put this quick video together mostly for our current customers to show you guys what to expect in the new release that is going to be available on August 1st, 2013. And so we want to just run through all the changes so that you're not super surprised by anything and so that you know where to find everything. As you log in, you will see that quite a lot has changed, and I will get to the first screen in just a second. Just so you know, over the past year we have been collecting a lot of feedback from our customers, and this release includes a lot of them. So a lot of the suggestions that were given to us, some of which we've already been introducing over the past few weeks, but most of it you'll see with the August 1st release and throughout this month. So we're just going to give you a quick tour and get started here. You log in, same as always, there's nothing different here. But when you log in now, you will see this handy little screen, very colorful. One of the biggest things that we have gotten feedback about is that they wanted and you wanted us to make it easier to find what you needed quickly. So the new design basically navigates through a road, and these prompt you to show you what you need and when. So if you're new, you start here, and if you click on any of these boxes, it tells you what you can find in that section. So these signs correspond with the toolbox section. And if you're not sure where something is, we have a search box that has been asked for a while. So here it is, ask and you shall receive. And if you're already ready to sell, you just click on this one, and there's a link to the selling page, and I'll go to that in a second. So basically, when you first log in, you come to this screen, and on this page is most of your agent education, is what we're calling it. This is where you learn about Agent Cubed, Norvac, since that will be available to some of you, your frequently asked questions, how to sell the concept, and again, this is not materials that are customer-facing. This is stuff that you want to look at so that you can learn and get comfortable with what you have here with the private exchange broker blueprint and offering private exchange sites to employers. All of our industry updates will be located here. And again, this just tells you to go over here to the industry updates, and this menu works exactly like it used to before. But we do have all of the last videos that we've had regarding our webinars that mostly Josh Hilgers has facilitated, and you can find those there. Coaching calls, many of you have participated in your coaching calls. If you haven't yet, you need to, and those are located here as well. So anything to do with education. If you have purchased or if you have advanced marketing strategies, it will be located on this page as well. If you can't find something that you're looking for, it might be in the archive section right here, because we are cleaning up the toolbox, but we didn't want to get rid of anything in case anybody really wanted some of the old things. We are going through this bit by bit, though, right now, and creating new materials. So you'll see some changes and updates in these as the weeks progress, and we've already made some changes. Again, on this page, these buttons were the a la carte menu options. They used to be above the toolbox. Now they're here. This particular client that I am using, a customer that I'm signing in as right now, is a partner developer. So you may have more buttons on this page than I do. But you can get your additional private exchange sites here just like before. If you don't have Done For You Toolkit, you can purchase it here. If you don't have advanced marketing strategies, you can purchase it here. And you can purchase the Norvac quoting engine, which is a new feature. That is for partners to purchase if you choose to have major medical leads routed to yourself. Then you can use Norvac to be your quoting engine for that purpose. We also still have the ribbon up here, which is your alert box. If you have any onboarding documents or incomplete wizards, that will alert you to that right here. And so that's about it on this page. So this is all your agent education. So you get in here and you're ready to sell. You just want to go right on to this page. And when you click here, again, I'm recording this and this is not live yet. So I'm going to go over here to this page. It comes to your second page, which is all your selling tools, ready to sell. So on this page, it's a little bit different with how you want to look at it. You see at the top, what stage is your client in? So depending on what stage your client is in, will determine what tools you need to look at. And I'm refreshing my page here. There we go. So what stage is your client in? And if you're not really sure, you just click the signs. So is your client, do they have any of these questions? Do they know what a private exchange is? Do they know what a public exchange is? Do they have questions about the legal aspects, etc.? If any of these are unanswered, then this is the area that you want to go look for materials in. You've got your prospecting letters and scripts, you've got your legal and compliance information, and you've got some flyers, forms, and presentations. And again, some of these are brand new. You do want to come in here and look at these. They're really great. I'll try and open up one right now just so you have a look. Some new materials in here. So you do want to take a look at to see what's available. Okay, so awareness or confusion. Are they ready to commit to change, or are they determining whether or not they really want to commit to the change? These are some questions that can help you out there. So if you don't have the information in this section that you've already gone through, you might want to find it in commitment to change. And then your decision time. Again, look at each of these signs. Your implementation is going to be about employee types of things. So when you're actually implementing it in the employer's area, that will help them. And again, you have archives here. So if you cannot find something by the signs and you cannot find something in the archives, you should be able to find things through the search option here. So we hope that that will help everyone find what they need more quickly. We think it's really great. We're very excited about it, and we hope that you do too. Some things that rolled out already that some of you are aware of, but in case you are not aware of it, I did want to bring this to your attention. In the resources section, you can look at your upline and your downline. So again, I'm in a fake customer area right now, so this is not going to be loaded up with any information. But if I am a partner, this is where your upline will be, meaning your mentor, your partner developer, your national sales director that you can go to, that you should go to for help and for if you need questions asked that have to do with the industry. This is where you'll find it. If you are a Partner Plus or a Partner Developer, this is where you'll find your upline and your downline, and not only names, but you should be able to find contact information. So that's a very handy way to manage that. Additionally, if you are a Partner Plus or a Partner Developer, this is very new, your squeeze page leads, that is your recruiting page, and anybody who comes through your pages would be named here so that you can kind of monitor that. And everybody should already know about the event calendar, and if you don't, ta-da. This is where you can look to see when the orientation calls are and when the coaching calls are offered, and I believe they're live right now. So again, as we do these coaching calls, we do archive them, or we put them in on the training and tools section in the education section. Coaching calls right here. Okay, so I'm about finished. Private exchange management works the same, and I did want to point out that with the August 1 release, especially for Partner Pluses and Partner Developers who recruit other partners, the pricing is probably the biggest, most obvious change to users that are first coming on board. So we are going up on the prices with a one-time setup fee for partners. But the monthly fee, we are keeping the same. We're trying to keep that very affordable. So this works exactly the same way. And the Partner Plus track, however, we went up on both of the registration fee and the monthly fee. And Partner Plus track, the Norvax option is included. It's not, you don't have to buy it additionally. But with the partner track, the Norvax option is not included. It keeps the costs down, and if someone wants to purchase it again, they can always come and purchase it here. So on that note, we have gone over the pricing, the agent education section, the sales section, and that's about it for now. Just keep a lookout for a lot of other additions and enhancements over this month and over the next several months as we get deeper into reform. As you can see, we do listen to you. We do listen to our customers, and we try to respond as much as we can, and we hope that this new look and feel and navigation really helps you guys succeed as quickly as possible with the Private Exchange Broker Blueprint. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to call our fantastic team, and we will make sure that we get your questions answered as quickly as possible. So thanks for your time, thanks for listening, and happy selling.